Meaning of fiber optic.
Fiber-optic.
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 Fiber-optic. Fiber-optic refers to a technology that uses thin, flexible glass or plastic fibers to transmit light signals. These fibers are capable of transmitting data over long distances at high speeds, making them ideal for telecommunications and networking applications. They offer improved bandwidth and faster internet speeds compared to traditional copper wire networks. Fiber optic cables are also immune to electromagnetic interference, allowing for more reliable transmission. The use of fiber optic technology has revolutionized the way we communicate and access information, enabling the development of high-speed internet, video conferencing, and other digital services.